Hi, I'm Lucy here at AO. When it comes to cordless vacuum cleaners, battery life is one of the biggest things that people ask about, but it can vary more than you might expect. So let's get into it. Lots of factors will come into play, and it will depend on the type of cordless vacuum cleaner that you have. Entry-level cordless vacuums are designed for quick cleans and can usually run for around 30 minutes on standard power. Mid-range vacuums will last slightly longer, often giving you around 40 minutes of power time. Now, high-end models are built for longer cleans, lasting around 60 minutes on standard power. If you go on eco mode or have an additional battery, some machines could give you up to 2 hours of runtime. And if you are vacuuming for 2 hours straight, I admire your commitment. So once you know roughly how long your battery lasts, the next question is, how far does one charge really go? Take an average 3-bedroom house. An entry-level vacuum on standard power will last around 30 minutes and should do the whole house. Mid-range 40-minute models are a better fit for bigger houses or even a small office. And with higher-end cordless vacuums, especially those with up to 2 hours runtime, the battery life is designed to tackle even bigger homes and bigger office spaces. So when it comes to cordless vacuum batteries, it's all about choosing the right level of power for the space you need to clean.